You ever stared at a foreign language and thought, yeah, no way my brain's learning that? Well, give me 30 days and I'll prove you wrong. Not with magic, not with some secret hacker technique, but with something better. A habit stack so simple, it feels like cheating. No grammar drills, no 10-hour study marathons. Just you, your phone, and a plan that works. Let's go from I don't get it to I'm speaking it. Let me tell you a story. A year ago, I couldn't say a single sentence in Spanish. Today, I've had entire conversations with locals in Madrid without switching to English. I didn't move there. I didn't quit my job to study full time. I just built a daily habit stack that stuck. And today, I'm going to break it down for you step by step. Whether it's French, Korean, Turkish, or Swahili, language is learnable. You don't need talent. You need structure, and maybe a little caffeine. Look, most people never learn a language not because it's hard, but because they think they need to feel motivated every day. Spoiler, you won't. Motivation is flaky. It's there one morning, gone the next. What you need is discipline disguised as habit. So instead of asking, how do I stay motivated to study every day? Ask, how can I make it impossible not to? That's where the habit stack comes in. The habit stack blueprint. A habit stack is when you connect a new habit to something you already do. It's like tying your shoelaces after putting on socks. One leads naturally to the next. Here's my daily stack for language learning. Part 1. Wake up, else 5-minute flashcards of before checking social media. I hit my Anki flashcards. Oh, why? Because you're most alert in the morning, and flashcards need brain power. Oh, 5 minutes only. No pressure, but consistent. 2. Shower, equal passive listening aburba. I put on a podcast or YouTube video in the target language. Oh, not to understand everything, just to hear the rhythm. Oh, it's like background music for your brain. 3. Commute, equal speaking practice. Oh, I talk to myself. Yes, really. Out loud. Oh, I describe things I see. La voiture est rouge. The car is red. Oh, people stare. I smile and keep going. Let them judge my accent. They don't know I'm becoming dangerous. 4. Lunch equal 1 grammar bite. Oh, 10 minutes on one simple concept. Oh, present tense verbs, gender rules, basic sentence structure. Oh, keep it digestible. Not a feast, just a snack. 5. Evening equal 1 conversation. Even if fake. Oh, I either message a native speaker, tandem hello talk, or role-play a conversation. Oh, imagine a waiter asking for your order. Answer like it's real. Oh, the goal? Active use. No hiding in your textbook. The science behind it. Let's sneak in some theory. Because hey, we like to know why things work. Spaced repetition. Anki. Proven to increase memory retention by 200%. Your brain forgets. Anki reminds. Input hypothesis, listening. Linguist Stephen Krashen said, we acquire language by understanding input slightly above our current level. So, if you understand 70%, you're in the sweet zone. Interleaving. Mixing skills. Switching between speaking, reading, and writing activates multiple memory paths. You're not just learning, you're embedding the language, real-life results, and funny truths. Want some honesty? Day 4. I couldn't tell the difference between pero and pero. One means but the other means dog. Guess which one I used when asking someone for help. But by day 15, I was texting native speakers and getting replies. By day 22, I could follow a whole video with subtitles. By day 30, I had my first full conversation on a voice call. Not perfect, not fluent, but I wasn't afraid anymore. And that's the shift. From fear to flow. Tools you'll actually use. You don't need 100 apps. You need a few that work. Anki or Quizlet. Spaced repetition flashcards. YouTube. Channels like Easy Languages, Dreaming Spanish, or Korean Class 101. Hello Talk. Tandem. Real conversations with native speakers. Grammarly-style tools for language. Try language tool or browser extensions that correct. And most of all, your notes, your voice, your curiosity. No app replaces you showing up daily. The 30-day rule. Let me be real. 30 days won't make you fluent, but it will rewire your brain to think in a new way. In 30 days, you build the foundation, the muscle memory, the identity of a language learner. And that's worth more than any textbook. So, are you ready? Not to be perfect, not to impress anyone, but to show up every single day. Start small. Stack habits. Forget fluency. Chase progress. And when someone asks, "How did you learn a language so fast?" you'll smile and say, "I didn't. I learned it slowly, every single day for 30 days. If this video gave you even a spark of clarity, smash that like button like it's your 6th Duolingo streak day, and subscribe for more deep dives into language learning and leveling up your mind. Drop a comment with the language you're learning. I'll reply to every single one in that language. Or at least try. This is your year, your mind, your language. Let's speak it into existence.